Today, victory is mine. Stay out of the way! This is genius at work!
All right, Brutus, watch closely. The Diggermatic 3000 is about to make history.
Oh, dear! Genius, Mish. It was over. Another year. Another failure. He was right.
What are you doing? It's trash. Like, all of it. What is this? You think you know better?
It can't be. He was right.
I need the oscillating widget. Stat?
Locating.
Wait, check the schematic, the phase capacitor first.
Rerouting.
No, the other one! The hexagonal nut! Not bad. Pay for a vacuum cleaner.
Wow, look at Brutus's machine. It's incredible.
Is that thing serious? It looks like junk.
Brought your trash heap back for more?
I can't believe it! It's incredible!
That's impossible.
Maybe genius isn't about doing it all yourself.
And this year's Golden Wrench Trophy proudly goes to Mish and Bolt. Run.